and welcome to another video of earring making. I think instead of theme week, I'm just going to have jewelry piece theme month, maybe. Because no matter what your skill level is, I mean, you can do this. You can make all kinds of jewelry pieces, whether you're a beginner or advanced, in between, you know, whatever. So I've basically been focusing on earrings this month. So I'm going to continue doing that. So we're making more earrings. And this is pretty simple. No, I have not gotten my nails done yet. Okay? But that's not what this video is about. Video is about jewelry making. Okay, so this is what we're going to be making. And I made these cubes here. These are made out of resin. So I made the cubes, and I like the two-tone it has in there. Okay, so, and another lava bead, of course, because that's how I make my jewelry. I have to use oils. Actually, I use oils every day, not just in jewelry making. So I also used, of course, sterling silver, French ear wire. I used an eye pin and a small head pin. And of course, my tools, my favorite tools I use, my one-step loopers, one-step looper, my flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, wire cutters, and chain nose pliers. Okay, so this is simple. So we're just going to put the eye pin right through the hole. Use my one-step looper. All right, I always use this looper. Well, I use this looper in a lot of my videos, so I'll just quickly show you. Now you're going to put it through here, and there's a hole in the back. Put the wire through the hole, and make sure that the bead is all the way down to the loop here. And this is a bulky bead, so it's gonna be a little more loose because of how the bead is hitting the back of the looper. But you just do what you gotta do. Get close enough to it. Okay. And you always want to hold the piece so it doesn't go flying. Again, my videos are done in a very small box, so they won't go far. And then just keep on looping, keep on looping. Close the pliers. And there's the loop. Okay? That's how easy it is. All right, I am going to close it just a little bit because you see how it's open a little. Okay, just close it up like so. And then if you want to tidy it up, you can pull it back a little bit so it looks like manufactured. Just a little bit, kick it back a little bit. All right, now we're going to put this through our bead here. Again, porous beads. And in my last video, I used a blue bead and a purple. In this video, I like the way it looks. So in this video, I'm also using blue and purple. So I just like it. Now using my one-step looper again. Okay. Make sure you're pressing against the bottom here, making sure the bead is all the way up. Oops. Right, and same thing. There we go. Okay, and then you want to make sure that, the bead again, this bead is hitting the back. So just make sure that it's all the way on there. And keep looping, 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 looping. And squeeze it. And there's our other loop. Okay. Use my favorite round nose pliers. I'm going to close it a little bit more. Actually, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this one to open. I mean, it doesn't matter. It's going to be attached, so it doesn't matter which loop we open. But this one, this bead here is pretty bulky, so I think it'll be easier to see on this bead here. I'm still going to close it up a little bit, and then I'm going to kick it back to get that nice roundness in the back. Okay, so now going to, with any loop, you're going to use 2 pliers. Oh, guys, I'm sorry. I have anxiety, so this is not kicked back far enough for me. So I'm going to kick it back a little bit more. All right, so now I'm going to, there we go. That's better. All right. Use my flat nose pliers and my chain nose pliers. Open. Attach. Oops. Of course, I'm using my flat nose pliers to put this on. So let me use my smaller pliers. Get a hold of it. All right. Then like so. Now I'm going to move my pliers up to the loop. Okay, oops. Like so. And twist it close. Okay. So there we go. And now all we have to do is just put our ear wire on. It's a lot quicker than I'm making it out to be in this video because I'm looking through a camera. So every now and then I have to look around the camera because I don't have great aim when it comes to looking through the camera. And I don't have a big production crew. It's just myself making jewelry and working the camera myself. I'm just kicking it back like I did on the bead, getting that nice little curve in the back. Okay, and now same thing. Put my ear wire on. You've seen this done many times before, and of course with making earrings, this is a normal thing. And slide it on, making sure I'm in frame and it's clear. All right, now we're going to close that loop. Like so. Let's see, it's so easy. These are so easy to make. And, you know, they're small enough. The first ones I made, because I have 6 of these cubes all together. So I made 3, I put 3 cubes together and this on the bottom. It just looked a little too much for me. So I just toned it down a little bit with doing the 1 and then the bead on the bottom. See, it doesn't matter how long you make jewelry. You try new things especially designing your own jewelry. You try new things and sometimes it just doesn't work out, so you have to redo it. And of course, put my peppermint. As I said before, peppermint is great for my sinuses. So I have allergies. Again, just 1 drop. That's all you need in the beginning. There you go. And then again, I'll probably put this on throughout the day. I do have a couple of bottles of these, as I mentioned before. I'm a Young Living partner, brand partner. These are the only oils that I trust because they're actually labeled 100% pure therapeutic grade essential oils, and I know the company's background. So I really respect this company, and I know they're giving me high quality products. So again, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will be more than happy to answer them for you. So again, thank you so much for joining, and I hope you became inspired. I have these little pieces here that, okay, the show must go on. All right, so I hope you were inspired. I hope you have some ideas of what your next project is going to be, and hopefully next time my nails will be redone. Okay, so they won't be so distracting in the next video. All right, so I love you guys, and have a great day.